Click on the link below to get price. The Dri-Eaz F410/110128 LGR 2800i Dehumidifier is a robust solution designed for high-performance humidity control in large spaces, making it ideal for industrial and commercial applications. With a capacity to remove up to 130 pints of moisture per day, this dehumidifier effectively combats excessive humidity, whether in flood recovery, construction drying, or mold remediation scenarios. One of the standout features of the 2800i is its high heat operation capability, which allows it to function efficiently in warmer conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial in environments where traditional dehumidifiers struggle, ensuring that moisture extraction is maximized even when temperatures rise. The unit's low-grain refrigerant, LGR, technology enhances its moisture removal efficiency, enabling it to operate effectively in lower humidity levels and providing faster drying times. The built-in pump is another significant advantage, allowing for continuous drainage without the need for manual intervention. This feature is especially useful in areas that may be difficult to access or where frequent emptying of a tank would be impractical. The ease of use extends to its user-friendly control panel, which features clear indicators for operation status and tank levels, ensuring that users can monitor performance without hassle. The Dri-Eaz 2800i is also designed with portability in mind. Its durable construction and integrated wheels make it easy to move around job sites. The compact design does not sacrifice performance, as it delivers powerful results while fitting into tight spaces. While the initial investment might be higher compared to standard dehumidifiers, the efficiency, durability, and advanced features of the Dri-Eaz F410/110128 justify the cost, especially for professionals in need of reliable moisture control solutions. Overall, this dehumidifier is a worthy investment for anyone serious about managing humidity levels in challenging environments. Its blend of power and versatility positions it as a top choice in the industrial dehumidifier market.